Hi guys, my name is Rochester. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for those who have subscribed. I have some new subscribers. Hey, how y'all doing? I'm glad y'all found me. You know, I'm glad y'all found me. This is the look for today. I'll be doing it's pretty short, pretty simple, and it's no step skip. I just talk you guys, just walk you through how I do my eye makeup. That the cover is for hooded eyes, and for this stage in my pregnancy at the time of this video, like you guys are going to see this, I am probably 38 weeks, or maybe Jalila's hair. Maybe Jalila's hair. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe he's here, maybe he's not. I do not know. But yes, so this is the video. Please thumbs up if you have not subscribed, especially if you have not. I'm on the road to 500,000 by 2020, and with you watching my videos and liking what you see, boo, we know it's possible. And with God, with Jesus, all things are possible. So please enjoy the video guys, and would you believe I'm out of breath. Alright guys, so I do have my foundation and the glow and everything on, so let's just jump right in. Woo! Oh, putting my hair behind me makes it feel so nice and cool back here. Alrighty, so I told you guys that I wanted to do 3 tutorials using this palette, and that's what I'm on. Truth is I'm tired. Alright, so I'm going to take this color. So for this palette, they don't have names, and I really want to do looks that are like easy to replicate. So let me just talk you through, because this look is going to be fairly easy. So all you need to do whenever you're doing like a neutral color is to pick a color that is close to your skin tone, or just like a little bit darker. Now for me, I have hooded eyes, and for this pregnancy, at the time of this video, I'm probably 38 weeks pregnant. I'm currently 36, but I'm pre-filming like crazy. So my eyes are swollen, like right now. Swollen this one. Constantly swollen. Whenever I lie down and I like open my eyes, this eye is blurry. So I'm holding my brush funny, because you guys know it's an issue. So I like to put color right in this socket here for me and my hooded eyes, because it gives my eyes dimension. See that? You see it looks a little bit sunken in. I don't mind that look because of my eye shape. My eye shape is pretty one-dimensional because of the hooded eyes, and because of hooded eyes as well, it's difficult for me to well, not for me, but it's kind of tricky to place colors and have them be visible. What I mean by that, when I put colors on the lid for those who have hooded eyes, sometimes they can't even see it. So let me see. Okay, so this is my Juvia's Place number 13 concealer, to tap a little bit on my hand. Then I'm going to go in with the brush that I usually use to do my brows, this one here. Oh my god. Then I'm going to do a cut crease. Now for me, have hooded eyes, doing a cut crease is to where my crease is right here. I have to go above that. So I just put the color right here alone, this, and I open my eyes to look at you. You're barely seeing anything. So I like to go above that. Now as I say, this is fairly easy, so I'm just going to add a little bit of dimension and kind of like wing that out, just for some dimension. Nothing, you don't have to, but because the eye look is going to be hella simple, just want to do that little thing. So then I'm going to take a brush. Hold this. Okay, let me take this brush. I use this brush to, you see dust coming off, or eyeshadow rather. I use this brush to set my brow bone. So I'm just going to go on top and get rid of any moisture that's there, so that when I place, oh my hair, so that when I place my eyeshadows, they don't latch on. I'm going to go in with this gray. Gosh, my fingers hurt so bad. They hurt so badly. And I'm just patting this on. Whenever you pat on your color, like pat on the eyeshadow, you get more color payoff. And yes, I am getting follow. Whoa, I am really digging into this. This color is almost creamy. I'm accidentally digging. This is your house. Alright, I don't like how my head looks like a hair retainer. That's the only thing I don't like. Let me just judge it. Ooh, this is so full. Why is this so full? This is so full. But this is the look, you guys. I just added some. I have a series of one-on-one on my channel, 101 on my channel, and what I'll be doing is at least once a month I'll be focusing on a technique, like in a video in its entirety, so no step skipped or whatever. But that's gonna have to start until after Jaleel gets here, and I'm praying to God my carpal tunnel leaves, because this is ridiculous. So you guys saw how I was holding the brush, and I can't twist the brush over in my hand and put it in my mouth and then like switch position from the brush, so I can't hold it and like maneuver it in my hand. It's just too painful. But yeah, so just regular eyeshadow placement, and I've done these videos before, but I have some new subscribers. Wow. Hey. Go ahead and subscribe if you not subscribe. I want to do this type of videos where like I'm focusing on something. The reason I say this is because how YouTube works is that if I'm suggested, then I am suggested for a video or whatever. But let's say I do a video like this and it only gets 2,000 views. Like majority of you have not seen it. So for me to revamp, redo, revisit, and then it gets 5,000, 10,000 views, it's better for the technique. And obviously for views, but it's better for the technique so you guys can see. What I also want to do is at least once a month is go on my Snapchat or on my Instagram, something like that, where I can just do something real quick for you guys and to like show you what to do, you know, probably while I'm in the moment doing my hair, doing my makeup or something. I can, oh god, that hurts. I can show you, you know, like what is what. But yeah, so again, my Cambodian Wavy from Longqi 20-inch frontal, 222 bundles and 224 bundles. I love it. I'm in love. I'm in love with the Longqi. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye guys.